So this video is going to show you my expectations about how to use your 3x5 inch summary notebook, how to fill it out. To begin with, every unit you're going to do a little summary. For each summary you're going to have formulas, variables, and units in one section. In the same unit you'll have a little solution help section, which may be more than one page, or any of these may be more than one page. And then you're going to have a section on laws and principles. Every time you begin a new section or a new unit, begin a new piece of paper. So don't start starting things on the back of the paper, but start a fresh sheet of paper. So here's an example. Unit title on each page. At the top of every page it might say kinematics, 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 kinematics. And then energy, 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 whatever the unit is. So formulas on one page, define the variables with units. So that's what I'm looking for. Formulas, variables, and units. Just let's get that over with. The next section is the important section. That's the solution help. The solution help is going to be tremendous when you're reviewing for the tests or for exams or any time. And then finally, the last section are any laws or principles that we covered in the unit itself. So let's do a little example for the kinematics by graphical means unit. So if I look at this, page 1 on the left, I've labeled it kinematics, graphs, and I've got the page numbers, page 1 in this unit. Formulas can be more than one page. You don't just have to stop here, so this is kind of a starter page. Then I'll go on to solution help, because it was fairly, not too much to do. Solution help, page 2, and I've got a little mnemonic that we used in class for deciding when to use slope, area, all that kind of stuff. And you can see it's also not quite complete to what we've done. You can add to that. And then kinematics by graphs, I've listed my variables. This is the first time I've seen these, the velocity, the units, all that information, and labeled the page. And kinematics by graph solution help, did this section too, a little more help. So you can see that this is actually one of the most important sections. Then on to page 5, laws. So I identified the fact there are laws and there are none for this unit. If there aren't any, make sure you write none for this unit. If there are laws, then go ahead and include them. Now remember, you do this for each unit. You start numbering over for each unit. The title at the top, so it might be energy 1, energy 2, energy 3. Just start renumbering for each unit that you have.